Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a fix for your phone calls getting silenced on your iPhone. But before you begin, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and let's go. Guys, this is such an annoying issue, but apparently in one of the iOS updates this feature got turned on by default to some users. Basically what's happening is that your phone is blocking phone calls from unknown contacts. So to turn that feature off, all you need to do is go to settings, then you need to scroll down to phone, tap on that, then you need to scroll down to silence unknown callers. As you can see, for me here is turned off, but for you it's probably going to be turned on like that. So just turn it off and you should be good to go. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and like this type of content, please consider subscribing and leave your like below. See you next time, bye.